वेलकम टू माइंड पोर्टल NCL HEMM क्विज वीडियो पार्ट 2। माइंड पोर्टल आपकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए लाया है NCL HEMM कोर्स 2026, जिसमें इंडस्ट्रीज एक्सपर्ट्स आपको पढ़ाएंगे और गाइड करेंगे। NCL HEMM व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करें और आपके प्रिपरेशन में आने वाले प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट कोर्स कॉल व्हाट्सएप अस ऑन 8800477550। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डज दिस साइन मीन? A, no entry. B, one way sign. C, compulsory straight ahead. D, left turn prohibited. The correct answer is option A, no entry. Question number 2, what does this sign mean? A, vehicle prohibited in both direction. B, left turn prohibited. C, overtaking prohibited. D, right turn prohibited. The correct answer is option A, vehicle prohibited in both direction. Question number 3, what does this sign mean? A, cycle prohibited. B, truck prohibited. C, right turn prohibited. D, left turn prohibited. The correct answer is option C, right turn prohibited. Question number 4, what does this sign mean? A, left turn prohibited. B, right turn prohibited. C, U-turn prohibited. D, overtaking prohibited. The correct answer is option C, U-turn prohibited. Question number 5, what does this sign mean? A, truck prohibited. B, all motor vehicles prohibited. C, bullock cart prohibited. D, cycle prohibited. The correct answer is option B, all motor vehicles prohibited. Question number 6, what does this sign mean? A, overtaking prohibited. B, left turn prohibited. C, right turn prohibited. D, vehicle prohibited in both direction. The correct answer is option A, overtaking prohibited. Question number 7, what does this sign mean? A, no smoking. B, right turn prohibited. C, cycle prohibited. D, horn prohibited. The correct answer is option B, horn prohibited. Question number 8, what does this sign mean? A, pedestrians prohibited. B, school zone. C, play zone. D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, pedestrians prohibited. Question number 9, what does this sign mean? A, cycle track. B, cycles prohibited. C, cycle parking. D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, cycles prohibited. Question number 10, what does this sign mean? A, all vehicles prohibited. B, trucks parking. C, cart road. D, trucks prohibited. The correct answer is option D, trucks prohibited.
SECL फोरमैन इलेक्ट्रिकल एग्जाम 2026 स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 मई। एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन से जुड़ने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पे SECL लिखकर व्हाट्सएप करें।
For more updates, like, share and subscribe.